Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we are going to talk about the 5 rules that you need to follow when you're doing Facebook ads. I will try to keep it short and simple. First rule, if something is working on your Facebook ads, you don't change it.
The first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
Second rule, if something is working, you don't change it.
Second rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
The reason I'm saying this is because I see all the time people come to me and say,
Hey, we're getting too ROAS. Let's change this copy now to make it even better.
no, don't change it. Leave it as it is because this is an optimized ad and maybe it's optimized in a better period of the year and now we have a different period where CPMs are higher and you might not get even close to the results that you are having right now. It's having data, it's optimizing through this data. Don't change something that is working just so that you can feed the urge that you have of being an entrepreneur and testing a lot of things and stuff. You can test in new campaigns things. I'm not against of testing. You can test as much as you want. As soon as you find something working into your testing campaigns, go and implement it into whatever you want to do with your CBO ads or whatever. So, very important thing, don't do this kind of things. Don't go and touch ad sets and ads and campaigns that they are working because they might never recover. As a matter of fact, whenever I see someone touching something that is working, it really reminds me this scene from this YouTuber that is scamming scammers from India and call centers and stuff.
Ma'am, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm adding this
Ma'am,
to
are you a prostitute?
I'm adding this
No!
to your cash.
No!
Rule number 3, don't use ABO for your top of funnel. CBO is always better. I'm running so many accounts. I can tell you that 99.9% of the cases, CBO is working better. We have several videos in this channel about CBO and how to run your ads, complex ways, simple ways, and so on. So go and check all the videos and you will be fine. Rule number 4. Rule number 4, don't consolidate your ads. I just finished one video with live examples that consolidation doesn't work. It's better for you to have more complex campaigns with more ad sets instead of just doing one ad set and just trying to spend all of this amount of money in one ad set, which is like you go to a roulette table and you're just putting all of your money in just one number. Instead of that, we can see that people are spreading their budget across different numbers because it gives them better chances. The same is happening here with Facebook ads. We have talked about the randomness of the results and we know how important it is. This is why CBO and several ad sets, it's much better than just an ABO campaign with one ad set, passing the learning phase and all this kind of stuff, which are not working. Last one, test. Keep testing. Whatever you're seeing here, say Konstantinos, I'm going to test this and that and that. I'm still testing stuff that I don't like, but I try to see if they're going to work eventually. Don't have an ego when it comes to Facebook ads because you're not deciding, the people are going to decide. We have dynamic ads for creatives in order for you to test. You can test with other ways also, but keep testing different approaches. Watch several YouTube videos from other people also. Test different things. Try to find your own philosophy. Try to see what is working for your own account. Because I'm showing you some things, it doesn't mean that it's going to work for your account. It goes like this. It's all about testing. It's all about finding something that is going to work for you. Simple rules, right? So, it's very easy. I think that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.